model, 62-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 Bluemotion 2.0 TDI 163 bhp long wheelbase high top starts runs engine knocking needs repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 238132. MOT, the 16th of May 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 163 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, air con, cruise Contron, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro